Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be taking a tour of my luxury apartments in Adobe. I haven't finished this yet, but if you guys like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get more notifications. So this is my luxury apartments. For the basement, all these credits go to Arisu. Now for the pool area. The pool area is not done yet, but I'm still working on it. It's supposed to be a gaming area, but I haven't completed it yet. This is a beauty spa salon. All credits for this go to Miss Bloxy. For this bit. So I've made some like floating sofas in the middle of the pool. You can just sit. Here is the spa area. There's this is the gaming area that I was supposed to make. This is how you can see it bigger. Now let's go up to my first room that I built on my own, the modern room. I'm showing you my house, but I'm not showing you my glitch builds in this house. I have a castle, a plane, and like a small airport, like a really small airport, and a playground also, and a living room area. Make sure to check out the build of the plane too. The link will be in the description below. This is my modern room. There's some pizza. This is a small desk. The room says welcome with a bamboo stick. A cloud desk. And this is the modern pet room. There are two beds over here, and here there is the bathtub and the pet food bowl. This is where my glitch area is. The next room is the restaurant. Many of you might have seen this restaurant before. I've done another video of this. I use this popcorn maker, and for this popcorn maker, the credits go to It's Sweet Mango. And for the chair's idea with the bow, the credits go to In My Dream Wonderland. I am in my IMDW. This is the bar. You can just sit there, and it's upside down, but it's okay. And there's a bakery over here. It's not finished. Some tea and the payment checkout. Oh, and there's a room also over here that you can stay in. Credits go to Bubbles for this room. And a small bathroom that just has a bathtub. The next we're going to be going to is another room. I have actually made this desk. If you guys like it, then like the video. This is where the pets room is. No one can get in here, but I can if I edit house, which I'm not gonna do. Oh, it's a party invite. I'm gonna just decline. Okay, so we go up. There's like a blue bed, and there's a pastel kitchen with a heart window. And there's a panda room too, with a crib. Now the next room has a bed, a mirror on this, a small TV too, and a nice bathroom. The next we're gonna be seeing is the comfortable room. It has a lot of beds. There's one bed over here. Here. There's like a small desk over here. There's another bed here. There's a cake, donuts, penguin lights. This is the pet room, the cozy pet room. And this is the bathroom. It has a lot of added features to it. And when you are in the bathtub, you're actually reading the book. Then the last room has a lot of rooms in it. It has more than 4 rooms, or maybe just 4 rooms. I've built a lot of rooms in it since we have a lot of space. There's a campfire, a TV area. This room is not done yet. I just have a desk over here, so I'm still building that room. This room, I did it in a build challenge. I might have not uploaded the video, but I did do it in the build challenge. It was only pink and blue. So. This one is the colorful wall room. I still need to add the bed, but there's not a lot of space for it, so I might just add something else. This is also a small room, I guess. It's a blue. This is my room, the VIP one. Devin right there. So laptop, computer, pet bed, and a locker. When you go inside, there is a bathroom too, but I haven't finished making it yet. Over here. Next is so there's a thing that till now there are probably 4 rooms. No, one over here, one over here, one, the colorful room, the VIP room, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I guess it's 4. The next room is like a kitchen. It's not exactly a room and it's not done. Kitchen, there's like a cloud TV over here. And then there's a bathroom over here. It's a nice comfortable bathroom. And the last room is this. I really like this room. It has a lot of lights, stars. I really like the bed too. And sometimes I use this room too, other than my VIP one. We're gonna go back now. Sorry guys, I'm a little laggy, but sorry about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.